Places to visit in Dubai with kids. Imagine stepping into a world where your kids' favorite adventures come alive, whether it's swimming with dolphins, riding roller coasters, or exploring magical gardens. Dubai offers that and so much more. If you're planning a family trip to Dubai, you're in for a treat. Today, we'll uncover the ultimate list of places to visit in Dubai with kids, packed with insider tips, fun facts, and must-know travel hacks to make your trip unforgettable. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss a single spot. Section 1: Theme Park Paradise, where magic comes alive. 1. Dubai Parks and Resorts Deeper Dive. MotionGate Dubai. Did you know it's the largest Hollywood-inspired theme park in the Middle East? Share tips like visiting early to avoid crowds and prioritizing popular rides like the Hunger Games Capital Bullet Train. Legoland Dubai and Legoland Water Park. Highlight fun activities like building Lego race cars and testing them on tracks, or the Duplo toddler play area for younger kids. Get a combo ticket for Legoland and MotionGate to save money. Bollywood Parks Dubai, not just rides. Talk about interactive Bollywood dance shows that will get the whole family moving. 2. IMG Worlds of Adventure. Fun fact: this is the world's largest indoor theme park, perfect for Dubai's scorching summers. Mention specific zones like Dinosaur Adventure for kids who love prehistoric creatures and Cartoon Network for younger ones. Book tickets online for discounts. Section 2: Water Wonderland, cooling off in style. 1. Aquaventure Water Park. Did you know it features the world's largest water slide, Aquaconda? Share stories of kids braving the slides while parents enjoy relaxing lazy rivers. 2. Wild Wadi Water Park. Include details about family-friendly rides like Yuha's Journey, a lazy river perfect for all ages. Wild Wadi offers stunning views of the Burj Al Arab. 3. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Explore the lesser-known experiences, like the glass-bottom boat ride and feeding sessions. Section 3: Animal Encounters, Wildlife in the City. 1. Dubai Safari Park. Share stories of kids meeting exotic animals like giraffes and elephants up close. 2. The Green Planet. Talk about interactive experiences like bird feeding or reptile encounters. 3. Dolphin Bay at Atlantis. Add tips on booking swim packages early and mention other marine attractions nearby, like the Lost Chambers Aquarium. Section 4: Indoor Fun, Entertainment Without Limits. 1. Kidzania. Dive deeper into the fun activities like kids earning, Kidzos, play currency, and spending them on fun treats or activities. 2. Ski Dubai. Highlight lesser-known attractions like meeting penguins in the Penguin Encounter. 3. Oli Oli. Break down the different play zones, such as the air zone with giant air cannons or the water zone, where kids can build dams and play with waterworks. Section 5: Outdoor Adventures, Embracing Dubai's Sunset Charm. 1. Desert Safari with Kids. Share stories of camel rides, traditional henna art, and stargazing. The Arabian Desert offers some of the clearest night skies in the region. 2. Dubai Miracle Garden. Highlight record-breaking displays, like the world's largest floral structure, an Emirates A380 airplane made entirely of flowers. 3. Dubai Fountain Show. Add details about fountain timings and the option to take a boat ride on Burj Lake for a closer view. Section 6: Shopping plus Entertainment Combo, Fun for All. 1. Dubai Mall Extended. Introduce unique attractions like the Rainforest Cafe, where kids can dine surrounded by animatronic animals. Use the mall's app for navigation, it's massive. 2. Global Village. Highlight the cultural pavilions with food, crafts, and souvenirs from around the world. Share specific examples, like trying Turkish ice cream or watching a Chinese acrobat show. Section 7: OFF The Beaten Path Adventures. 1. Al Qudra Lakes. A peaceful getaway where kids can enjoy picnics, biking, and spotting flamingos. These man-made lakes form a heart shape, perfect for family photos. 2. Hada Dam. Discuss family-friendly kayaking and paddle boating options, along with breathtaking mountain views. Section 8: Planning Tips and Hacks. Best time to visit. Suggest visiting during Dubai's cooler months, November to March, for outdoor activities. How to save money. Mention combo tickets, family packages, and early bird discounts for attractions. Transportation. Discuss family-friendly transport options like metro stations near major attractions or renting a car with car seats. Section 9. Sky-high experiences, views they'll never forget. 1. Burj Khalifa, at the top. The world's tallest building isn't just for adults. Kids will love the interactive exhibits on the way to the observation deck. 2. Ein Dubai. This gigantic Ferris wheel offers spectacular views of the city. Book a family-friendly cabin for a private, cozy experience. 3. The view at the Palm. A 360-degree observation deck overlooking Palm Jumeirah, where kids can marvel at the unique palm-shaped island. Section 10. Edutainment Learning disguised as fun. 1. Dubai Science Park. A haven for curious kids. This interactive science center offers workshops and exhibits that make learning fun. 2. Dubai Garden Glow. Explore glowing installations that teach kids about sustainability and the environment. Don't miss the Dinosaur Park, where life-size animatronic dinosaurs come to life. 3. Al Thuraya Astronomy Center. Introduce your kids to the wonders of space with planetarium shows, stargazing events, and interactive astronomy exhibits. Section 11. Cultural experiences. Discover Dubai's heritage. 1. Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. Take your kids on a journey back in time with a walk through traditional wind tower houses and narrow alleyways. 2. Dubai Museum and Al Fahidi Fort. Learn about Dubai's transformation from a fishing village to a global city. Kids will love the dioramas and artifacts. 3. Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding. Book a family-friendly cultural meal where kids can learn about Emirati traditions, try local food, and ask questions. Section 12. Unique outdoor spaces, nature and beyond. 1. Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. A bird-watching paradise where kids can spot flamingos and other migratory birds. Bring binoculars for a closer look. 2. Mushrif Park. Features play areas, picnic spots, and even a mini-train ride for kids. The park has a world village, with miniature models of traditional houses from around the world. 3. Dubai Creek Park. Enjoy a dhow boat ride or let your kids run wild in the dedicated play zones. There's also a cable car for a bird's-eye view of the creek. Section 13. Dubai's Hidden Gems for Families. 1. X Park Junior. A nature-inspired play space with tree houses, splash zones, and outdoor climbing adventures for little explorers. 2. Butterfly Garden. Part of the Dubai Miracle Garden, this dome is home to thousands of colorful butterflies that kids can watch up close. 3. Al Marmam Desert Conservation Reserve. Experience camel trekking, stargazing, and storytelling sessions in a more natural, less commercialized desert setting. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.